Hey everybody, welcome back to Run and Gun and welcome to another Nifty 50 episode where we talk about photography tips, tricks, and hacks without the filler and without the BS. So in this episode, we're going to talk about the difference between vibrance and saturation, and they are often confused. So if you're ready, let's roll that intro. Alright, so we're in Photoshop. I opened up a long exposure photo that I took at the State Fair. I thought this would be great for this example. So let's go up to Layer, New, Adjustment Layer, Vibrance, and let's see what Vibrance and Saturation does to this image. So I'm going to turn up the Vibrance first, turn it all the way up. You can see there it adds some color to the sky, some blues, a little bit of orange. That actually looks great. So let's turn that back down. We saw what that did. Let's turn up Saturation just a little bit, and whoa, that is a lot. As you can see, saturation just uniformly increases the intensity of all the colors. It gives us this cartoony look, and it clips my colors. Let's take that back. And we can see vibrance here. Vibrance is actually a smart tool. It's made to affect the more muted colors and leaves alone those well-saturated or oversaturated colors. And you can see some of these oranges in here that are almost skin tones. It actually is made to protect skin tones and keep them from clipping and looking unnatural. So that right there is the difference between vibrance and saturation. So that is all for this episode. I hope you guys learned something in this Nifty 50 episode. Make sure you subscribe down below, hit that notification button, hit that like button, and I will see you guys next week. And until then, get out and go shoot.